All right, so before I show you guys exactly what I put down, I just want to show you the two main ingredients that I use is these two babies right here. Far as waffles go, everybody makes their waffles different. I make mine's my way and everybody makes theirs. So continue with that, but just add these things right here. And I actually glaze mine's on top with some frosting, and you can choose to do that as well. But yeah, so I wasn't going to make this video, but I wanted to share it with the Waffle gang. So here you go. I hope you enjoy. I love y'all. Kool Zone out.
5 hours later.
And like I say all the time, these were amazing.